Okay, so to do this experiment today, you're going to need some sharp pencils, and they do need to be sharp, a plastic bag that you're willing to sacrifice in the name of science. You will not be able to use this as a plastic bag when we are done, and then some water. So 3 simple things, and you'll be able to do this. Okay, so I have relocated to my sink so we can do this over someplace that can get wet. You could also go and do this outside, especially with the beautiful weather we've been having, but someplace where if it gets a little wet, it's not going to be a big deal. So I'm going to take my plastic bag and fill it about halfway up with water. So halfway up with water, and I'm going to close it up. Then I'm going to take one of my nice and sharp pencils and stick it through the bag where the water is. And you can see it's not leaking. So theoretically, you could do this someplace where it wouldn't be an issue if it got wet, but better safe than sorry. And you can keep doing this as long as you've got places to stick your pencils through. So why this happens is because plastic is a polymer, so it has lots of little pieces that are sticking together, and even when you put a hole in it, it tries to reform that. So it's going to actually squish it all together and try to basically cover up that hole, but it makes it very, very tight around the pencil so you don't get any leakage. Now, if you take the pencils out though, you do have holes in your plastic bag and it's going to leak. So try this someplace where it's not a problem if it gets wet. Go outside, see what you can do.